We started out with Merlin Solar because we came to this issue of trying to figure out how we can better help our fleet, because we were paying out around $190,000 a year in jump starts and batteries for our coaches. And then we also needed to reduce our idling. And so we got together and came up with this idea of building a no idle system for coaches. We were able to build this unit, which will climatize your coach with the actual power motor off, with the diesel motor powered off. And so it works really, really well. We still use it to this day for heating and cooling our coaches in the summer and winter. Also, with that came the need for some more power, so we went with solar. But in the meantime, we were like, that might be a good option for us to do that for our jump starting issues, because of the climate we're in, the very cold weather that we're in up here. We use Webasto's a lot to start them in the wintertime. So we recommended, we did some research. We did come in contact with Merlin Solar, with Arthur and Merlin. It worked out really good, a great team. They were able to come up. We put 2 solar panels on each coach, and we made a campaign and just did it all at one time. We haven't had the issues that we had before. We just don't spend that kind of money in jump starts. The first year we actually dropped that clear down. I can't tell you just how much, but I don't even think we replaced a battery the first year. The problem is that we were letting the batteries go too long, and so then they run out of date and we'd have to go out and check them out. That's how good it worked. We wash our buses daily through an automatic wash. The solar system, the solar panels are in very adverse conditions, from 20 below zero to 100-degree weather to high winds out here on the desert, high desert, etc., to snow and all kinds of adverse weather, plus the washing of it each day. They've held up great. We just have not had any issues at all with the Merlin solar panels. And the service was great. The customer service was awesome. Arthur was tremendous help with that, very knowledgeable. So I can't say enough good about them. They saved us a lot of money, a lot of time, probably money that if we were really to put the data down, I don't know exactly how much it paid us back, but by the time you figure your service calls with your service truck, your techs, and everything else, it was a lot of money that we saved, because we were paying out around $180,000, $190,000 a year for that. So we've saved a lot of money. They paid themselves back within just a very, very short time. Yeah, I can't say enough good about the company as a whole, right from the people to the product is just amazing. We have had no issues. If we had an issue, it's just been like the plugs or something is due to corrosion from the road or something like that. But there's no issues. So they're a great product.